Our aim is that by 2025, we will be an open, multicultural, federated operation of connected campuses facilitating free movement for all of our members, staff or students, and the involvement of the citizens in the cities and towns and regions in which our universities are located. But this alliance is not only about working with each other. We are also engaging externally, from our local communities, as I just mentioned, to both other European universities and also global partners. As for Warwick, we see ourselves very much as an international university. We are proud to be a member of the EUTOPIA Alliance, delivering open, innovative and inclusive higher education in Europe.
So the EUTOPIA Week is a chance for us really all to come together and take stock of what we were doing. We've achieved a lot, and I want to say thank you to everybody here that works on EUTOPIA for the amount that they have achieved in the last year. And I'd like people just to take a moment to recognise how much we have achieved and how far we've come.
Indeed, in the last 2 years, EUTOPIA Alliance has grown from strength to strength with 3 EU-funded projects. The first one, the most important, is of course our application for the first call for European University Networks, short acronym EUTOPIA 2050. The second, also very important project is EUTOPIA Science and Innovation Fellowship Fund. And the third project that we got in this year is EUTOPIA Train. It will promote academia-industry collaboration and adopt open science principles and practices, and it will also explore ways to harmonize research careers, policies, and strategies.
Our work becomes even more relevant in a more politically polarized world, and of course also in Europe. And therefore, our international strategy is of great importance. And likewise, we want to make active use of the cities where we are based through our place-making initiatives. We have a great commitment to democratic European values and citizenship, and we really have to take an active stand for academic freedom and democracy.
In the development and of the EUTOPIA 2050 proposal, the students were greatly involved and made the proposal just better. They were there at our launch event in Brussels, and they also have a very crucial role in the governance of EUTOPIA. The students are also at the heart of our educational model, as they will co-create, and it's very important, future-oriented course materials, and they will help us in innovating teaching tools and learning practices.
We have created many opportunities at the level of the 6 universities. For instance, the 6 universities have launched a joint EUTOPIA PhD co-tutel program with support of PhD fellowships, and in all the areas we expect a lot of collaborations, and we expect high quality research projects with a global impact.
The pandemic has changed our plans significantly. The consequences of this fact are multiple. To mention only 2, one, most visibly negative, is the lack of student mobility. Another one, visibly positive, is the sudden impulse to the digitalization of higher education. Concerning student mobility, we are reinventing ourselves and moving to different forms of mobility besides the physical one, virtual and blended. But in our case, I think that EUTOPIA's educational model is proving to be very robust. Finally, do not miss Thursday's session on research and the Sustainable Development Goals. This is another area in which EUTOPIA is deeply engaged. Thank you very much, and I hope all participants will enjoy this second EUTOPIA Week. Thank you very much.